Hi, Divine One. Thanks for joining me for another Inner Child Oracle card introduction. Today I'm introducing you to card number 47, Katya, Self-Care. So take a big deep breath with me in through your nose, out through your mouth. Tune in and take whatever's meant for you. This is Katya's message. Hey there, beautiful soul. My name is Katya. And oh, do I enjoy myself. Sitting here along the banks of the river, solitude, nature, my own essence, I am full and present. It is from this place of stillness and self-love that my love for others abounds. It is from this space that I create worlds. When Katya arrives, you may be in need of more self-love and nurturance. Oftentimes as children, we learn that putting ourselves last is the noble, selfless thing to do. Unfortunately, that's counter to our soul's wants and needs. It's time to teach your inner child that they are allowed to put themselves first. They are allowed to choose themselves, and their happiness should be a priority. When we are full and in alignment with ourselves, our essence has room to run the show, and our love and magic spills out to all we touch. It can be uncomfortable at first to be with yourself, to be full of yourself, but with time and attention, you will find strength like never before. If you find Katya reversed, your inner child is stepping fully into self-love. You have reached a point in your journey where you are becoming the priority. Mantra for Katya: I am the priority in my life. Remedies for Katya. Number 1, take a deep breath. Put one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Envision a bright orange light pouring into your belly. Be with the fullness as long as you can. Repeat daily. Number 2, begin to notice when and how you put others' needs before your own. Change that. Number 3, learn how to be alone with yourself. One moment at a time. Fall back in love with you. Start with a letter to yourself. Maybe a night out for one. Journaling questions for Katya. Number 1, when I am alone with myself, I feel. Number 2, choosing me first means. And number 3, my biggest fear regarding being alone is. I hope you enjoyed getting to know Katya today. She's such a beautiful part of our inner child. Take a deep breath with me, and as always, plan on miracles. See you guys tomorrow.